Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we have something very simple and easy. You've seen me do this type of mani before. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. So the first polish I'm using is called Pretty in Pink. It is a medium pink with a gold shimmer throughout. It's really pretty. Link in the description box down below as per usual. Now the second one is called Frock YES. It is a glittery, very dark fuchsia pink. It's very pretty. It looks gorgeous in the sun. Now next we're going to be using also fairy dust. Now this is amazing in the sun. It looks like you have diamonds on your fingertips. I swear to God, it is absolutely stunning in full sun. And then finally we're going to be using Snow White, which is a shimmery white polish. Not completely opaque in one coat, but in two coats, I reckon you could probably do it. It is really pretty. So I've already got the base color on my nail, and then I'm coming in with the first coat of fairy dust. And as you can see, it is glittery as all get out. You can get this polish as a one pack. So click the link down below to go and get that, because look at that. It's literally like diamonds on your nails. I'm not even kidding. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. Now next I wanted to show you how well Frock YES goes on your nails. It is absolutely beautiful. It's almost like it's got a little bit of the fairy dust inside of it. It's just really pretty. You can definitely get away with one coat, but if you want full opacity, you want to give it just one more coat. I'm going to be using this fancy little brush that I got on, I think it was eBay, really cheap. I got it in a set, but I'd never used it before. I don't love it, just to let you know, but we're going to be using it to create a dry marble. Now, if there's any of you who don't know what a dry marble is, it's only referred to as a dry marble simply because you don't use any water to do it. You're going to put the polishes that you're using. You can see I'm using these three polishes here, and then plus the Snow White as well. We put them onto a mat and you put them all together, and then you swirl them about with, you can swirl them about with anything, with a stick, with a anything. I'm just using a water marble stick thing. And then you're going to scoop up the polish with your brush. Now I think this brush is not super suited to it because the ends of the brushes are really soft, so if they're a little bit more stiff, it would have worked a little better. So I might actually cut this brush down, but either way, when you're wanting to create a dry marble, you're just going to scoop up the polish and then place it onto your nail like that. You sort of let it trail down to the tip of your nail. You can do as much or as little as you like, but I absolutely love this technique. It's really easy. You cannot make a mistake with it, I don't believe. And you can use any color combinations you like, and you can just do whatever you like, and I think they always look good. I really do. I think they look really cool. Now for this particular one, as you can see, I'm not covering my entire nail. You can if you want to, but I'm choosing not to, just doing like a 3/4 kind of situation. And then doing that with the next nail. Exactly the same thing, just repeating the process. Now once you've completed your dry marble, you can go ahead and seal it all in with your favorite top coat. Of course, wait until it's completely dry, and this will take a little longer to dry simply because the polish is a little thicker than regular painting. And that's it for this one. I really hope you like it. I really love how it turned out. The photos, to be honest, don't do it any justice, especially that fairy dust. You really need to get some yourself, and so you can check it out in full sun. It's really amazing. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, chickies.